Hi, my name is Sharmala Singh and I'm a teacher of the Mainstay Primary School. When the pandemic started, as teachers, it was quite difficult for us to get to the parents because eventually it started as we did not know exactly what to do because everything was just in chaos. When we had to do online learning with the kids, it wasn't applicable really to us because we're interior here and not everybody has internet. We don't even have Wi-Fi in here as much, just the eGov. And that was a challenge because not all the parents could be able to come to the internet, the hub there, to get the work every single day. So that was a big challenge for us, but eventually we tried our best with the worksheets that the ministry would have given to us. Unfortunately, that was also late sometimes. But as teachers, we all tried to give work from our scheme, and the children would normally come, or their parents, and they would come to collect the work. But it was really a great challenge to us because Georgetown, as they would have the internet, the teachers could just send online work. With us, we couldn't do that because not everybody has access to internet here. Knowing that it's still in the pandemic and school is reopened, I think it's still difficult because as teachers, you still have to take all precautionary measures, and it's not easy, because the kids are so accustomed to touching each other, playing with each other. The mask is a new thing for them. They have to wear it all the time, and it's quite challenging for teachers and children because it also affects them in the classroom with the learning. Sometimes they're not even focusing on you or with you, with the schoolwork. But otherwise than that, I think the children are coming to school. We have the parents are sending their kids. It's just that we have to take this extra precautionary measures for each child. For us, I know our educational system is moving into all these smart classrooms, and technology is just going. So I think it would benefit our kids because having this television and stuff, the learning channel, I think it captures the children's attention. Because if you're to show them a simple video, they would be so intrigued with it. They would focus a lot. They want to see what is happening. They want to see what's coming next. So I think it would be beneficial to them in their learning aspect of it. I think they would have more fun doing it. And even for our school, since it's piloting the new curriculum, I think it would be beneficial to us as teachers too, because when we have to show these videos to introduce our lessons and all of that, we just have our small computers, but if we could use it, that would be a great help too for our classes.